Ready na ang biyahe, kapit lang ng mahigpit. Mga ngiti't tawanan sa bawat saglit. Kasamang pamilya, puso'y laging masaya. Sa Encamp PH, puno ng adventure, diba? Let's go, tara na't mag-explore. Encamp PH, Encamp PH, yeah!
Good morning po sa inyo lahat, mga kakampo. Ngayon po ay May 1, 2026, Labor Day. At syempre po, tayo ay holiday, walang pasok. Ngayon po yung schedule namin ng camping sa Blue Turtle Cove sa Morong, Bataan. Maya-maya, mga after lunch kami pupunta. Bibili muna ng ulam. Punta lang kami dyan sa malapit na Talipapa para bumili ng isda. Pupunta po kami doon mga hapon na para may liwanag pa pagpunta. Makapag pitch kami ng tent, makapag set up, then makaligo ng konti before mag-prepare for dinner.
Good morning.
May muta pa yata.
We're on our way to buy some supplies para sa aming camping ngayong hapon. Init ang panahon. Tamang-tama na approaching the egg store.
Doon na lang sa
Yan, yung binibili namin na itlog. Pero dito kami park.
Camping talaga is one of the best ways para makapag-relieve ng stress. Camping is being with nature. Tayong mga tao ay likas na connected sa nature, kaya nagiging parang reset siya ng katawan mo. Traffic. Biglang naging traffic po dito. Hindi kami makaalis dito sa pinagparkingan namin.
Right. Kami ay nakalabas na rin. Right. Ngarag mode pa. Si super init. Guys pa ng mga gamit na dadalhin. Prepare ng mga pagkain, baon.
Ano lang ba rin yun?
Walang baril
Ay, wala. Vlogger ka na for today. May binenta akong ganyan eh, GoPro.
Wala po silang barilyete ngayon. Lipat kami ng kabilang Talipapa.
Dalawa.
Yan lang ba
Wala linis to araw.
Hindi naman tayo mag-iihaw doon
Kasama eh.
Magkano po dito?
260 bariliete. Hintayin na niya ni Kupal. Yellow pin. Ng mga motor.
Sige po. Ano na lang, papusta.
Buti na lang, may kasabay din na araw.
Balik kami dito sa kabila. Tingin ng Pampano.
Magkano dito?
Dito po.
Opo, ito.
Pampano, 420 po ang kilo.
420 ang kilo.
Ilan po ba?
Dalawa sana.
Wala pala. Okay. Pampano, 420 per kilo. Bumili kami ng 2 piraso, halos 1 kilo. Kaya 400 yung 2 piraso. Hindi na, para makatikim ng Pampano. Thank you to our sponsors, GN Power Maribeles. Fried Pampano for lunch. 420 pesos per kilo. Ayan.
Simple lang ang buhay, basta't magkakasama. Sa bawat kalsada, may ngiti at tawa. Bukas na ang pinto handa na ang gamit. Bukas na ang pinto, handa na ang gamit. Sa Encamp PH, walang kasing tamis. Tara na, sakay na sa aming motor. Encamp PH, kami ang explorer. Bawat bundok, dagat at dada ng kalsada. Kasama ang pamilya, let's make some memories. Itatayo ang tent sa ilalim ng bituin. Amoy ng kape, simoy ng hangin. Lutong bahay sa gitna ng gubat. Lutong bahay sa gitna ng gubat. Busog ang puso, saya ay sapat. Tara na, sakay na sa aming motor. Encamp PH, kami ang explorer. Bawat bundok, dagat at dada ng kalsada. Kasama ang pamilya, let's make some memories. Hindi lang ito basta tiyanan. Dito, pamilya ay integral. Tuloy-tuloy ang biyahe, walang hinto. Laging may bagong video para sa inyo. Let's go! Tara na, sakay na sa aming motor. Encamp PH, kami ang explorer. Bawat bundok, dagat at dada ng kalsada. Kasama ang pamilya, let's make some memories. Encamp PH. Tara na guys, see you on the road.
Daming tao.
Magandang hapon po. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Aquino Campsite sa Morong, Bataan. Puno po ngayon dahil long weekend. Pero kami po nag-walk-in lang. Okay naman si Kuya Erwin. Sabi po niya ay maghanap lang kami ng pwesto. Medyo hapon na kami nakarating, mga 5:30. Kaya bago magdilim, sana makakita kami ng pwede naming pag set up.
Okay, first spot. Puno na. Doon. Doon na lang sa may bungad.
Rocks.
There's the park. We're going to set up over here. Okay. Okay. So, nandito na kami sa Aquino Campsite. Sa atin po.
Next time, when we do ocular, we should look for more than 2
I know.
campsites.
Ano po yun?
Pwede dito, maybe, oh. Diyan, oh. Ayan, paglinis na kami. Kung saan kami nag-set up ng aming natin. Set up na ng tarp. Dito po. Sige po, isog pa po. Yan. Sige po, dito po. Yan.
Ito po, mag-aalas 6 na. At kami po ay nagsiset up pa lang. Salamat po kay Kuya Erwin at pinayagan niya kami dito kahit na kami ay walk-in. Sana maayos bago lumubog ang araw.
Sige, pasok pa dito, baby. Kami eh.
So, may... Oh, yeah.
Wait for me there on the other side. Nakakabit na ba dyan?
Oo.
Hindi pa siya Yan.
Pasok mo.
One down.
Yung ilaw,
Nasaan yung mga katol natin?
andun na. Kasi hindi na akong dalawa. Dalawa lang yung
Yung isa dito. Nasaan yung ilaw natin na yung lamp? Tsaka isang
isang power bank.
power bank. Nandun sa bag ko yung power bank.
Kumaliit ko muna ang power bank.
Mom, here's a bottle.
Yes, you keep it in your bag first.
Within my pocket,
Yes.
my bag.
Ito pwede ilagay.
Diyan na muna, sa sahig.
Ano muna natin? Spread.
Just keep it.
Mas okay yung pinapawisan, hindi makadikit yung lamok. Yan ang mahirap sa iisang kulay. Kaya dalawang kulay itong isa eh. Para nalalaman mo yung kung nasa ang side ka. Eh dahil iisa lang yung kulay niya, nakakalito tuloy. Nandun ka na? Sa dulo ka na? Yeah, ito naman. Pasok muna natin itong isa. Mami, baka tamaan kayo. Ako dyan, mami. Hindi ko makita to. Parang mali yung pinagpasukan. Pumasok siya dun sa... Yan. Ito ang tunay na zombie apocalypse. Hindi camping, zombie apocalypse. Oo.
Alin ba yung nasa ibabaw, yung puti? Nilalagyan na mo. Dapat po dito sa may pintuan.
Lagyan natin yung
Upuan dito.
upuan tsaka yung mesa dito sa gitna.
Banda rito. You can lift lagi ka.
Dapat yata magchinelas na rin dito.
Oo.
Kasi may mga bato.
May
Mukhang di na malalagay itong awning natin. Magchichinelas na dito. May mga bato eh.
just pump your feet here. The edge.
May insecticons ah.
May ulam.
Kaya hindi tayo nagmamadali, hindi stress. Sa ganito mo masusubukan kung okay lahat ng gamit mo. Itong flashlight, ubos na agad. Mas matagal pa yung cellphone. Saan ka, baby? Yeah. Saan? Ay, nako. Pag ganito lagi, hindi ka naiinom ng gamot. Lagi kang ano eh.
Lagi ka rin.
Pagising, magliligpit na, tapos uwi na.
May puno.
Full moon pala. Milog na milog yung buwan. Can you introduce yourself
Do you
to
realize
the
you have a
audience?
channel?
To the audience.
Do you realize you have a channel?
Please tell them your channel.
Yes.
What's the name of your channel?
Daniel Ravas World.
Daniel Ravas World. How many subscribers? How many
I
subscribers do
don't
you
have
have?
internet, so I kind of
What
forgot.
do you remember? Do you remember?
4 or 2.
402 subscribers.
So I know.
So,
So intense.
tell them. Please like and subscribe.
And give me into 1,000 subscribers if you want my merchandise.
You have Ganito pala ang buhay sa bundok.
Paupo-upo lang.
Sana all.
Sana all may lifeline subsidy. Pasensya na po, wala kayong mapanood na interesting ngayong camping namin dahil ito po ay biglaan lahat. Kami ay, ang tawag doon,
Hindi
made the most of what we can. We made the most of what we can. Pero salamat pa rin at tayo ay nandito.
hindi tayo napauwi.
Ang lamig, wala tayong, ang bubong natin ay yung mga puno. So talk to me.
Yes?
Talk to me.
Yes?
You put that down, you talk to me.
I can talk even though I have eyes holding this one.
I want your full attention.
Yes. It's true.
I want your full attention. You move your chair backward a little bit. And let me interview you. So, what's your name?
Rafa?
Maingay din yun.
What's your name?
Rafa.
Rafa. Rafa what? Nadal? We're doing an interview. You are? What's your name?
My name?
My name is Daniel Rafa Tamayo.
How old are you?
14.
14.
Oh, you're a teenager already. Oh my goodness.
So, tell me about yourself. What are your likes and your dislikes? Tim
I
talk.
like making animations though.
You like making animations. What else?
Making good stories that I was planning in the future.
Making good stories that
That I was planning in the future.
you're planning in the future.
I like people respecting their opinions
People respecting your opinions. That's very good.
and be fine if though they're different.
Being fine even though you are different.
Yeah. Even though they're different.
They are different.
It's okay to be different.
It's okay to be different.
There's no other Rafa. Just you.
But
What?
there's a common name, but
It's a
every
common
Rafa is
name.
different.
How about dislikes? What are your dislikes? Are there
I do have
people that you don't like?
Things that you just
I kind of like when people disrespect anyone's opinion. So,
You don't like people who disrespect
someone's opinion.
someone's opinion. It's okay to disagree just with respect, right?
Yeah.
It depends. Depends. Sometimes you have to disagree also.
Just with respect, right?
Yeah.
So how do you do that? How do you say someone that you do not agree but you still respect?
Children, I just respect their opinion.
Oh, tell them I respect your opinion, but by the way, this is mine. Oh, yeah. Because if you say but, it provokes arguments. When you say but, everything that you said positive will be erased when you say but. So I respect your opinion like this. I respect your opinion. Now this is my opinion.
Okay.
You didn't say but,
I
right?
hope you respect as well. Dahil pag nagsabi kang bat, sasagot pa ulit.
Magagalit. So what can you say to the viewers? What did you learn for tonight?
It's okay to be different, and it's okay to have opinions. For your advice, and send this to my friends online. One, respect others' opinion even though you don't like them. Two, you have to it's okay to be different from one another. Not as if there is respect you too. And number three, do not get mad when someone doesn't like your opinion. And if the person tells you that you don't like your opinion, then ignore them. And that's it.
Very good, Daniel Rafa Tamayo. Thank you for guesting in my show, The Camping Darkness. The Camping Darkness Show. I hope we see you again.
Another guest, one.
Good night.
We have another guest.
Ayun.
Raya.
Okay, let's start the interview.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our interview. Camping in Darkness. .ph. And let us welcome our guest for tonight.
Right.
Can you introduce yourself?
Excuse me, check. Can anyone hear me? Happy, pretty, angel, everyone's favorite. I'm Raya Denise Tamayo.
Nice!
I thought you don't want to be interviewed. Good evening, Raya.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Oh.
Is that how you speak?
Can I ask you some questions?
Go ahead.
Very good. What are you feeling right now?
Let's see. I feel like there's so many insects roaming around the camp.
That's the reality of camping, guys. That's why this is called camping in darkness. So what do you like most about camping?
In general, let me see. I get to try new foods, like the one Grandma invented. The one that I named bell poppers.
Bell poppers. Later. So you don't sleep yet. Number 2,
Let's see. S'mores.
s'mores. Also food. Number 3, is there a third one?
No. Maybe Cheetos.
So all about food. How about the people? You don't like the people?
It depends.
It depends on the people. You can have a more personal question.
No.
Why? What is too personal for you?
It's too personal for me to say it because it's too personal.
What kind of an interview is this? Coffee or milk?
Milk.
Black or white?
Depends.
Juice or iced tea?
Both.
Mountain or ocean?
Let's see. Ocean because I want to go on the cruise.
I just get asked that question. What is your favorite hedgehog? Shadow, Sonic, or Silver?
I like all hedgehogs, but Shadow is the best among the three, in my opinion.
So this is an interview of 2 person. My partner there, Rafa. My partner is playing with his cell phone. What kind of an interview is this? In the future campings. Oh, there's fireworks. What's happening here?
I believe it's because of Labor Day. Because today is Labor Day.
So we are celebrating the labor of day.
Because Labor Day might mean there's no work.
There's no work, but yes.
To enjoy the day.
In the future, if you go camping in the future, who would you want to be with?
My friends. Especially,
Oh no, you don't like your family anymore. You don't like your family.
you drag me here.
Oh no, that's the real talk of the day. What do you dislike in a person?
When he gets nosy.
Like
Like you.
people asking questions?
Too nosy to the point where they keep asking me about security stuff.
Personal questions?
Yeah, and also, yeah, swear words.
You don't like swear words. For example,
No, I don't want to say it.
what do you like about a person?
Loyal.
Loyal. What else?
Gentleman. Like they're not forced to be gentlemen to me, they just want to be gentlemen to me because they want to.
Who is that?
I don't want to say it. We're on air.
So there is someone who is a gentleman
Yes. Doesn't have to be.
to my daughter. So can you comment down below if you're that gentleman?
And it doesn't have to be, other people. It can be your brother, it can be dad, it can be your cousin, friends, diba?
The one you like.
Gentleman doesn't have to be just one person.
Do you think I'm a gentleman?
Yeah, I guess.
She guess. She guess. Do you think Rafa is a gentleman?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you think Grandpa is a gentleman?
Yeah.
Why there's no I guess?
Because it's obvious that any one of you are gentlemen to me just because you're family.
to that gentleman over there, you comment down below so I will know you. I will invite you for dinner at our house.
Don't do that.
We can eat sushi and sake
And burger.
No,
and burger.
no sake, no sake.
Okay.
Probably joking around, I guess.
The world is flexible and vast. Be adaptable.
That's it.
Yes.
That's just short.
Yes.
Thank you to our guest.
They might be asking who my Oshi is or biased.
I don't
Someone's
understand.
B-side. Because I said
Ah,
someone's B-side.
Okay.
A side-wise, I like all of them. I would treat them like family. And B-side-wise, I like Tamon and Rintaro because Tamon is relatable and Rintaro is literally me but more talkative. And I can handle Ori well.
Okay, thank you, Raya. I don't know what she's talking about. I only know about Eugene, Dennis, Vincent, and Alfred. Those are my anime. So, Master Jeremiah and Jericho. That's it for this interview. Thank you and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. No, not yet. See you guys in the next interview. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Ito na po ang aming May 1 Miss Adventure. Dapat po sa Blue Turtle Cove kami hindi kami naka-schedule pero doon namin balak mag-camp. Pero meron daw nag-shooting kaya dito kami napunta sa Aquino campsite. Medyo gabi na nakarating kaya hihirapang mag-set up. Importante talaga ang ilaw pagdating sa camp. Hindi na namin na tayo yung canopy na bago kasi madilim na, gabi na. And first time na itatayo sana yun. So hindi pa kabisado. Kaya sa susunod na lang siguro. Nagpapasalamat po uli kami kay Kuya Erwin na pumayag na walk-in kami. Kasi usually talaga reservations dito para naayos nila yung lugar na ipe-prepare nila para dun sa darating na camper. Pero okay lang din naman, at least naranasan namin yung talaga raw camping or medyo raw, yung tunay na pagka-camp. Nilinis pa namin tong pwesto namin bago kami nakapagtayo ng tent. Talagang inabot na ng dilim. Para po sa camp natin ngayon, ang akin pong primary knife na gamit ay ito pong aking Browning DA97. Tama ba? DA97 o CA97? DA97, tama. Malakas yung tubig nila dito sa gripo. Tsaka maayos. Masarap mag-CR, masarap maghugas ng kamay. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung CR nila. Tsaka cleaning area. Ayan, sa gitna. Dito yung lababo.
Ito ang camping na may tubig. Di ba pag camping, forest, wala, kahit tubig, wala. Ano ka, magsusurvive ka. Pero
Sa ilog kayo kukuha doon.
Oo. Pero okay na rin. Experience. Mas Sarap. Pangalawang beses na to, Roy. Randy, camping. Sana nandito kayo. Pagdating nyo, pagbakasyon nyo.
Yan, puno po ngayong gabi ang Aquino campsite. Dahil long weekend. May 1st. Kaya po tayo ay punong-puno. Saan ba ang lalaki? Women pareho to. Parehong women. Dito ba ang... Saan kaya ang men? Parehong pambabae yung CR dun. Dito yata ang men. Yun. Dito ang panlalaki. Ayos naman. Malinis. Ayun sa malayo yung aming pwesto. So Rafa and I will fetch water.
Again.
Okay. The same technique. Okay. Come here beside me on the left. Dito namin nilagay.
Ha?
Ni Rafa. Anong oras na?
10:47.
10:47 PM. Tahimik na po ang paligid dito sa Aquino campsite. Nakakapagod yung araw. Nakakapagod yung araw dahil hindi nasunod yung mga plano namin, pero yun, sabi ko nga kanina, we made the most of what we can do. Okay na rin. Sa mga hindi pa nga po pala nagsasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell para po kayo ma-notify na aming mga susunod na videos. Hinihinaan ko lang yung boses ko kasi tahimik na. Salamat po. Good night. mga kampo. Saturday morning dito sa camp. Hirap matulog kagabi. Pag maraming tao talaga, marami ring ingay sa paligid. Pero ang sarap gumising kaninang umaga sa huni ng mga ibon. Paggising kanina. Pero maraming sounds of humans kagabi. Hindi na kami talaga sinuwerte sa kapitbahay pag camping. Sabagay kasi natural lang na gumawa ng ingay yung tao. Kahit anong ingat mo sa pagtahimik, minsan talagang makakalikha ka ng ingay. Pero meron din namang mga campers na natural yung talagang nag-iingay. Iba pa rin yung meron pa rin mga campers na walang pakialam sa iba. Kanina sarap nung pagising kanina, yung huni ng ibon. Doon ako nagising na-videohan ko.
Nabidyo.
Relax muna.
Bago mo
Sarap sana
gawin
magkape.
mo, dapat yun. Parang nagaganda ng kambing niya. Parang mga imported.
Lumabas na ang araw sa dalampasigan.
Maganda ng kulay niya. Kombinasyon. 3 kulay. Puti, brown, parang itim.
Para ma-enjoy niyo yung camping talaga. Dapat weekday, hindi holiday or hindi rin weekend. Yung nasa trabaho yung mga tao. Dito kami sa bandang bungad ng campsite. Malapit sa gate, malapit sa tindahan, tsaka dun sa CR kasi nga late, ang dami ng tao nung pagdating namin. Kaya ito na lang yung choice na medyo maganda-ganda. Malapit sa gate. Alam ko si Brother Don Henry. Dito rin siya nakakuha ng spot malapit sa gate. Saan yung harap? Konti lang. Kape po tayo. This is how you make bell poppers. This is what Raya calls bell poppers.
Ano?
At silog for breakfast. Go! Shh. The friendly goat. We don't have something here. Go goat. Ay. Eh. Yung goat. Yung kambing. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video sa Aquino Campsite Camping.
Next time, good one.
Salamat po sa panonood.
Thank
Please
you.
like and
We
subscribe
enjoy.
to our channel. Hit the notification bell para po kayo ay manotify na aming mga susunod na video. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli mga kakampo.
Thank you tayo.
Simple lang ang buhay, basta't magkakasama.
Kuya, thank you.
Sa bawat
Hanggang sa
kalsada,
susunod.
may ngiti at tawa. Bukas na ang pinto, handa na ang gamit. Bukas na ang pinto, handa na ang gamit. Sa Encam PH, walang kasing tamis. Tara na, sakay na sa aming motor.